smoking my butt.
Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Guys, today I'm going to show about this viral reel which you have seen in the preview. Guys, nowadays this reel is going viral on Instagram. If you want to try this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. So guys, to edit this video you need VN application which is easily find on your Play Store. First install the VN application, and when you will open this app you will get interface like this. Guys, you need one video and 9 photos to edit this trend. And to import the photo video, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the one video and 9 photos according to you from your phone library. Okay. Okay guys, you have to select like this and I have to forward from here. You can see guys, you have to take the photos like this. First delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first download the reel video from Telegram. After that you will click on here, click the plus icon and click the music option to extract the music. Okay. Now guys, click on the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. So click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So guys, I have to select this reel, and guys now you have to click on the OK option. Then click on the choose option and have to done from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, you will trim the photos and video according to music. So first I trim the photos and video. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photo duration. So photo duration is very simple guys, because all photo duration is same, but only video duration will be different, which is 1.80 second, and other photo duration will be same, which is 0.45 second. Okay. So guys, all photo duration will be same, which is 0.45 second, and last photo duration is 0.48 second. Now guys, video is completed. You can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.